Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take Ashwagandha Lehyam, only way. Mix 1 teaspoon with warm milk, stir well, and sip slowly to help absorption. Start low with a half teaspoon for a few days to make sure you tolerate it. Take it consistently each evening or after dinner for calming benefits and better sleep. If you have medical concerns or take medications, consult a qualified practitioner before regular use. Many people ask about timing and dose for Ashwagandha Lehyam. Typically 1 teaspoon daily with food reduces stomach upset, or split into morning and evening half doses. Avoid pairing it with strong stimulants close to ingestion, and be cautious if you take thyroid or blood pressure drugs. Track effects for 2 to 4 weeks to notice changes, and adjust the dose based on how you feel while starting low and staying consistent. Quick note, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, is a practical, calm read I enjoy. It pairs with self-care routines like taking Ashwagandha Lehyam because it encourages steady, long-term habits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a high-quality Ashwagandha Lehyam made from whole roots and minimal additives. Store it in a cool, dry place with the lid sealed to preserve potency and flavor. Pair the Lehyam with nutrient-rich meals and healthy fats, and maintain consistent sleep habits to support results. If you notice digestive upset or allergic reactions, stop use and seek advice. Discuss interactions with a pharmacist if you take multiple supplements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.